Case called out. A petition has been filed on behalf of the petitioner Mantu Kumar @Sailendra Kumar inter alia praying to issue no objection certificate order for the issuance of passport. The petition is pressed by his learned counsel. Both sides presents heard both sides produced in the instant case. A petition has been filed on behalf of the above named accused petitioner. It is inter alia submitting through the petition and oral submission that the petitioner is named as accused in the present case and he has been on bail since 18/11/2019 and he has not misused the privilege of bail. It is submitted that the charges are already framed on dated 13/10/2023 and the record is running for prosecution evidence and the petitioner has been continuously present during the course of trial. It is further submitted that the petitioner earns his livelihood by guiding tourists, which often requires him to travel abroad. It is submitted that he had applied for a passport, but it was not issued due to the instant pending criminal trial case. The passport office has informed him that he needs to obtain a certificate copy of judgment of the case. Thus, a prayer for no objection certificate in bracket hereinafter referred as NOC close bracket order for the issuance of passport is made in the light of submissions. Per contra, the prosecution has vehemently opposed the instant petition and submitted that the counter criminal cases are pending between the informant and the accused. Bracket start wide MUPS case number 123/2019 and 124/2019 respectively. Close bracket. It is submitted that the accused presence is necessary on each date so that the trial may proceed without obstruction and delay. It is further submitted that his absence may hamper the progress of trial and may cause unnecessary delay. It is further submitted that applicant petitioner has not cited any relevant provision under CRPC or other law under which the relief is sought for NOC. Thus, it is prayed to dismiss the instant petition. Peruse the entire record. It transpires the wide FIR MUPS case number 124/2019 against the petitioner along with 3 other persons. Thereafter, upon charge sheet wide order dated 11/4/2023, the cognizance was taken under section 341, 323, 324, 337, 338, 504, 506/34 against the petitioner as named accused number 2 along with 4 other accused persons. The charges were framed under the same sections wide order dated 31/10/2023 and since then record is running for prosecution evidence. Further, it transpires that there is no provision under the Passport Act 1967 so as to grant NOC order for the issuance of passport. The Act and rules of the Act only envisage permission to travel abroad by the concerned court only after the issuance of passport, and there is no requirement in law to take such NOC from the court for the issuance of passport. Accordingly, the petition is not maintainable and it is hereby dismissed, put up